Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. Today we will deliver the latest updates from Google Workspace July 2025 edition. So today I'm showcasing 7 incredible new features that show just how serious Google is about leveling up its tools, especially spreadsheets and productivity. Even if Gemini in Sheets felt not perfect before, now trust me, this update will change your mind.
Yes, I was honestly surprised how smooth it's now. Totally different feel.
Okay, so let's get started. First up, a major upgrade to Google Vids. You can now import Google Slides directly into your video timeline.
This is a game changer for internal presentations. No more jumping between tools.
Exactly how it works. 1. Open the Vids editor and click Import Slides. 2. Select your slide deck from Drive. 3. The slides appear in sequence on the timeline. You can adjust slide layout, dimensions, and even change colors on the fly. Add narration or audio, and you've got yourself a professional-grade presentation video with almost zero effort. Second, summarize PDFs with Gemini in Google Drive. Next, you can now summarize PDFs directly in Google Drive using Gemini. How it works: open a PDF like a credit card statement, use the Gemini panel and ask, categorize these expenses. Gemini will analyze file and return insights like totals by category, travel, lodging, meals. No need to open a separate app. It's fast, clean, and powerful. Third, edit Gemini generated charts in Sheets. Previously, charts made by Gemini were just static images. Now, they are fully editable.
Finally! I always wanted to tweak the colors and chart type.
Yes! What you can do: double-click the chart to enter edit mode, adjust colors, switch chart types, change styles, your call. The combo is powerful. Gemini handles the basics, you make it shine. Fourth, new AI function in Sheets. This is huge. Google Sheets now has an AI function that lets you write natural language prompts.
This one was incredible.
Yes, incredible too! So type =AI bracket double quotation, write a thank you email for the gift mentioned, double quotation comma, A2TC2 bracket. It's perfect for working with unstructured data, like summarizing open text survey answers. Currently, AI function must be used alone, not with other functions like VLOOKUP. Fifth, Bords in Google Chat. Google Chat just got more organized with the new Bords feature. How it works: click the board icon in your space, pin key files or messages. New members can see rules or resources instantly. No more scrolling through all threads to find important info. Six, customize captions in Google Meet. Now in Google Meet, you can fully customize how captions look. Options include font style and size, text and background colors, great for accessibility. This improves readability and the caption accuracy is top-notch. Seventh, big boost to Gemini itself. Gemini got 2 big upgrades: infographics and video uploads.
Wait, it can summarize a whole video file now? That's wild. I need this.
Yeah, infographic creation from deep research. Turn Gemini's detailed research into clean, shareable infographics with 1 click. Video file upload and summarization. You can now upload videos, up to 2 gigabytes directly to Gemini. Ask it to summarize the content or create a document from it. Yes, it works on mobile too. Perfect for on-the-go productivity. So that's your Google Workspace July 2025 update. My biggest takeaway? Keep everything in Google Drive. That's the key to unlocking Gemini's full power. Drive is no longer just for storage. It's the foundation of modern AI-powered work. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye!